Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we have yet another hotel room for you. This time we are in the O Hotel by LuxUrban in downtown Los Angeles, California, USA. And it's branded itself as a boutique hotel in downtown LA. So as usual, go through all the features of the room. For the bathroom, it has just a shower booth and then the large dispensers for your shampoo, body wash, and conditioner, which you can see right here. The brand is Be Kind with 2 B's. There's the toilet along with the toilet paper dispenser and trash can, your towel rack above, and you do have a bar of soap and lotion that's included down there, along with your sink and glasses and hand towels and extra toilet paper and hair dryer. The door is a sliding door. For the bedroom area, you have a small nightstand table there. This is a queen room, so there's a queen bed with 3 pillows. And on the other side, another night table here with your clock radio. A small nightlight on just one side right there. I have the curtains closed because it's quite bright and it actually faces another building. And the hum you hear is maybe one of 2 things. There are very large industrial air conditioner condensers that are kind of like between the 2 buildings on the, I guess, ground floor. So you can hear the hum of that, and also you can hear the air conditioning unit up there perhaps. So this is very interesting, not having central air conditioning, but maybe the building is older, that's why they did it that way. There looks like to be an extra comforter above here, the wardrobe area. You get a robe, you get your laundry bag, you get your ironing board, iron, in-room safe, maybe shelf for shoes or small accessories, your luggage rack, and they do include a coffee machine, which is nice, with various types of coffee pods. Underneath the coffee station are just some drawers. There are some items in the top drawer here. A shower cap and a vanity kit, which is nice. A 2 receptacle trash can. I believe one is for recycling and one is for regular trash. Your tissues, your phone, your pad and pen, and then you do get 2 complimentary water bottles along with the fridge here, which is nice. The chair is a rolling chair, seems to be nice for the desk area. And in terms of other features, there is a mirror that is by the door, which you can see here. And actually they will not make up your room unless you request it, so you have to use the door chat here, either put this outside or you have to tell the front desk if you'd like your room made up, probably just to save time and money and perhaps water. The entryway is tiled up until the bedroom area. And I am here for 5 nights. And, oh, I forgot to mention the TV. The TV looks to be maybe 40 inches. It's a Samsung set. And also you have your remote for both the air conditioner and the TV right here. So if you have any questions about this property or any other properties on my channel, please let me know. And I'll talk to you later.